Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add money to Amazon gift card balance. The first thing you need to do is open the Amazon app. Then you are going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. From here you'll scroll down a bit until you see the option Manage. You are going to tap on Manage. Then from here, what I want you to do next is reload your balance. So you're going to select the second option from top. And from here, all you have to do is simply scroll down and you can see add funds directly to your Amazon gift card balance. And you can select 25, 50, 100, or you could tap on other and enter the amount that you want. Once you have selected the amount you want, you can simply tap on buy now, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.